I would consider about 30% of A-level H2 Math syllabus to be comprised of theory-centric topics. These are topics that require sufficient familiarity with the key concepts and theories before doing questions can be considered a meaningful exercise. I am Jack from Achevas, and in this video, let's discuss about our game plan for theory-centric topics. First of all, please don't get me wrong. For topics that are practice-centric, I'm not saying that there isn't any theoretical framework that we need to get to grips with. Nor am I saying that understanding concepts are not important for such topics. What I'm saying is that for the topics that are more considered as theory-centric, the theories and concepts require more in-depth study and consideration in order for us to be able to link those questions to the correct concepts in order for us to solve them perfectly in the exams. Theory-centric topics will be topics like vectors and functions. For such topics, by memorizing the formulas or practicing the algebra instead of first delving into their theories and concepts will make studying and practicing painful and inefficient. The best approach for you will be to listen intently, digest what your lecturers have to say about these topics, work through those derivations if that is what it takes for you to understand the formulas or solving processes. Read and reread your lecture notes and materials so you have a strong theoretical understanding of such topics before you allow yourself to dive into doing those questions. By doing so, you will build a good foundation to start doing well for theory-centric topics during exam time.